Hello everyone. Those who are looking for undergraduate program in culinary art from on the behalf of Indian Culinary Institute, myself, Dr. Lomte, faculty member at Indian Culinary Institute, would like to announce about the 3-year degree program in BBA in Culinary Arts. About Indian Culinary Institute, is this is an institute established by Ministry of Tourism as an autonomous body having two campuses. One is at Tirupati and another is at Noida. We offer 3-year BBA in culinary art, and also we offer MBA in culinary art, those who have completed a graduation in hotel management, hospitality studies, hospitality and tourism studies, and culinary art. We offer both the degrees in collaboration with Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. Again, it is a central university established by an parliamentary act having pan-India jurisdiction. I would like to share a few glimpses of inauguration of this institute. Just a year back, this institute got inaugurated by Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Venkaiah Naidu ji. In the first picture, we see Honorable Vice President entering the campus. Second and third picture, we can see Honorable Vice President addressing the gathering on the occasion of inauguration. On the dais, same day, we can see Honorable Vice Chancellor of the Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, then Joint Secretary of Ministry of Tourism, Honorable Minister of Tourism, Honorable Vice President Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, Honorable Minister of the State Government, Honorable Minister of Tourism of the State Government, Honorable Secretary of Ministry of Tourism, and Director of the Indian Culinary Institute, Sri Gyan Bhushan ji. Before taking you all to the actual requirements, I would like to share a few activities at the institute. Really, this institute is bustling with all activities which will groom you all as a true professional. Uh, I was a part of the team which is shown in the right hand side top corner. Our student and a team of a student contributed to the Indian Science Congress held in the SB University. That was 104th Science Congress. So we participated in the that bulk cooking activity. Every day, every day around 20,000 meals were there uh, each time. So breakfast 20,000, lunch 20,000, dinner 20,000. So our students have done hard work during that period. They got an experience of bulk cooking, and also they contributed to Indian Science Congress. The next picture is about the carving presentation done by these are the activities. We teach a lot of carvings, lot of garnishes, lot of decorative things, and this was the workshop done for the student to train the student on plate presentation and garnish. Next, student celebrating Onam festival. All girl students, they are in sari and they are praying, dancing. That is the scene. The next is celebrity chef Damu. He is judging our student, and also along with the celebrity chef Damu, the culinary competition or cooking competition organized by Andhra Pradesh Tourism. Few of our students got award during that competition. Few more activities. We have lots of activities. We celebrate Onam. We celebrate Ugadi. We celebrate almost all the festivals of India. Being a national institute, we celebrate almost all the festivals. We celebrate Teachers' Day. First picture of the slide shows that we are celebrating Teachers' Day. Then we are contributing to the local community Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. We have done a Swachh Bharat Abhiyan at Papa Naidu Peta, which is neighboring town of the Tirupati campus. Then definitely we have theme dinners or theme lunches in that. In one of the picture it is showing Bengali thali is displayed. Then few of the other pictures like Onam and Ugadi celebration, and also students are celebrating welcome and farewell parties. So after coming here, what are the different opportunities after doing undergraduate program? What are the different opportunities to passed out student? So students can be a chef, definitely that is the prime career. They can be a chef in hotel and allied hospitality industry. Allied hospitality industries like the hospitals, maybe a cruise liner, maybe a airline catering, maybe a industrial catering, or maybe a institutional catering like universities and residential schools and colleges. So kitchen management position in the hotel and initial placement as a trainee, then flight kitchen services. Navy is also a very good option. Navy, even Army and Air Force. The JCO, Junior Commissioned Officer Catering in Defense, in the Army, is also a bright career who have done hotel management, who have done a culinary art. Uh, then management trainee or executives in the international and national fast food chains. Fast food, plenty of fast food chains are there in the market like Domino's Pizza, maybe a McDonald's, maybe a KFC. So many, so lot of names are there. So these in their management trainees or executives in these fast food chains. Already, I have explained hospital and institutional catering. One more is about the faculty in Culinary Institute, faculty in Hotel Management Institute. Uh, can be a good career opportunity after the graduation or post graduation. Then shipping, railway and railway hospitality and catering services. So all these, apart from these, self-employment through entrepreneurship is also a great opportunity. So self-employment, maybe one can start this BBA undergraduate program have entrepreneurship component also. So one can uh, complete after completion, one can start own business. And also, as we deal with the food, definitely this undergraduate program have nutrition as a subject. So one can be a nutrition expert after completion of undergraduate program. Then we will talk about the facilities at the institute. This institute have got the best uh, infrastructure. I assure all the aspirants that this is the world class institute. Ministry of Tourism, Government of India have invested 100 crore at Tirupati and 100 crore at Noida, having the best residential facilities, the best training facilities. We have best kitchens. We have all best display and demonstration kitchens. So modern kitchen and bakery laboratories for hands-on experience, restaurant and guest house for practical experience, cuisine theater is also there. This is a very very unique concept. A well-maintained cuisine theater with a 72 seating capacity is available at the institute. Also attached with the food quality control laboratory, and we have the best hostel in the Tirupati. 100% hostel facilities available for everyone. So institute is divided into a restaurant block, academic block, uh, kitchen block, administrative block, museum block, guest house block, restaurant block, and staff quarter blocks. So with this, you can understand the facilities at the institute are the best in the entire India. I would like to share a copy of this is a picture of the faculties at the institute. We all are trained, having a good number of experience in the industry. If you ask about me, I have experience on the cruise liner, I have experience in the hotel industry, I have experience with the um, IRCTC, and also I taught subjects of the culinary art, and then now I am in a teaching field. So others also are well with the rich experience are there, and also few more new team members will be joining in the coming years. So after listening to the all these things, so what is required to get into this institute? So you all need to appear for the All India entrance examination conducted by Indian Culinary Institute and Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. Also, you need to have 50% marks in case of general and OBC, and 45% in case of SC/ST at +2 or intermediate exam. Those who are appearing or who have not finished examination yet, they also can apply on provisional basis. So at the time of admission or after, till some time period will be given there to fulfill this criteria, so that uh, but they can appear, they can apply, and they can appear for the entrance. Age limit for this program for general category and OBC 22 years, and for SC/ST category 27 years is the age limit. So what are the important dates? Date of entrance examination. Date of entrance examination to be announced, because since 22nd March, lockdown is declared in the country, and as soon as we get government approval and the situation become normal, definitely authorities will announce the date of entrance examination. But last date of online application is 22nd of June 2020. So the first round reporting will be in the first week of August, second round of reporting will be in the second week of August, and the final round of reporting will be in the third week of August, and the commencement of next academic year in the month of September 2020. So where we can apply? So this is the website where applications are received: www.themes, themes.gov.in. This is a link where you can you have to go register yourself and apply to BBA in culinary art. So we have 120 seats at Tirupati campus and also 120 seats at Noida campus. Uh, the examination, entrance examination, is based on your +2 syllabus. So it has got a numerical and ability and analytical aptitude 20 marks, reasoning and logical deduction 20 marks, general knowledge and current affairs again 20 marks, English knowledge 20 marks, and aptitude for service sector 20 marks. So total 100 marks entrance examination with no negative marking. So each correct answer carries 1 mark, and there is a no negative marking. So centers for the examination are listed here: Bengaluru, Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Chandigarh, Chennai, Gandhinagar, Guwahati, Kolkata, Lucknow, Mumbai, New Delhi, Noida, Patna, and Tirupati is also a center, and Thiruvananthapuram. So these are the centers. Choose your nearest center for the entrance examination. We would like to share few of the images or the pictures of our ICI alumni. The first batch of Indian Culinary Institute Tirupati got placed in the industry. They are with the ITC, they are with the Oberoi, they are with the Taj group of hotels, and they also, some of them got international placement. About the last year batch who was in the industrial training, of they were in the fourth semester, have got in the industrial internship program. So students have done training in USA. They have done training in Taj Group of Hotels. They have done training in the ITC Group. They have done training in the premier hotels of the country. So our alumni are happy. The passed out batch is well placed, and also the current batch for industrial training, they also have been placed. So this is about the admission process of undergraduate program at Indian Culinary Institute. If you have any query, please mail us at icitpt@gmail.com. Uh, do if you know someone who is interested in the culinary art, please share this video with those who are looking for the admission at Indian Culinary Institute. Thank you very much.